Pep, what are you doing there? Eh? Caught you.
I'm just harvesting the roses, you know.
Ah, you're harvesting.
Yeah.
Let them bloom a little bit.
But the one I cut it is already bloom. And
Let me
then
see,
I-
let me see. Let us see, let us see. Oh, very nice, beautiful.
The
Flowers
light,
goes with flowers.
correct. And the light orange is so beautiful. I like it, but it's so pretty to cut it. So I love it.
No, let it live. Dana?
Yes, I'm done.
Ooh.
Hi, greetings from Greece. This is George and Lynn, and welcome to our channel.
This is another strolling. The weather is really good and we came to a place called Chaos. Why? Because it's like that. Now really nobody knows how this hole formed on this mountain, but the view is amazing. So we shoot some aerial shots and we will include in our video. And now we're heading to a very nice place, Alabrio city.
Yes.
This is to the eastern part of Attica, and we're going to visit a technological park. And we're going to have some good shots. See you in a minute. Okay, now we're moving on again, heading to Lavrio. As you all know, when you stroll in the sun, eventually you will get hungry. So, like every other time, we ended up to a very nice beach taverna, fish tavern. And
Seafoods.
as I am Greek and she's turning to be Greek,
Correct.
of course we ordered some meze, some seafoods, calamarakia, which is in English.
Calamares.
Calamares, okay, calamares, and saganaki, and some small fish, fried fish.
Wow.
And of course she's drinking again orange juice. She will get drunk again, I know. And me, my ouzaki, which is a Greek local drink. And we are really enjoying the ambience. Look here. And where in the world you can find this? So actually we tried to get into the park, but they told us that we need to have an appointment. So we changed our schedule and we took a road, and actually we're kind of lost now, but we found this place and we settled. So this is what we like, to be lost and discover new places. So bon appetit to us. Popo, you will be drunk again with orange juice. Oh my gosh, the calamari is so small, babies. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. So small. Huh? Oops.
Oops, I did it again.
Help yourself. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Popo, baby calamari. You should never fish baby calamari. But if they are caught in net, then it's fine. Instead of throwing,
Yeah,